as long as I keep walking, it's okay. But when you stop, oh. We are Bram and Simon. This week everything falls apart. We drive a lot and with every kilometer the van breaks down more and more. As always, we keep our heads high. But can we continue our journey? And why am I doing the voiceover?
We can take this ride wherever it goes. As long as you're with me, I feel at home.
New day, new problems.
Yeah.
The door won't close.
Yeah, because the van is quite twisted now, so I think that's why it won't close now, but I'm not sure.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Will it work?
No.
No. Okay.
No.
What now? How's that possible? Yesterday it was okay?
I have no idea. It was all the way open this morning, and after that did not close again, so I have no idea.
Okay.
So we didn't find a solution, but for now the door is closed, so
And we want to go for a walk.
yeah, we will fix this later.
Yeah. Okay, we took a little detour because of the dogs. They heard something or saw something, so they wanted to explore. But we are back now. Back on track. After a big hike yesterday, we are ready to continue our journey.
Yeah, we're preparing the van to go again. Still need to do 8 hours, I think.
Yeah,
So,
it's further than I thought.
yeah, a lot further. So we went to leave early and then...
Yesterday we got news about the house.
Oh yeah, what was it again? Oh, that they're going to do the inspections this week?
But also that there is a date that we can sign.
Oh yeah.
So in about 3 weeks we can sign for the house.
Yeah.
And then it will take up to 2 months before we can...
Well, before it's ours.
Yeah, before it really is ours.
Yeah.
So pack everything up.
Yeah.
And drive to Montpellier.
Yay.
How far are we?
Still 4 hours out, so
So we are halfway of our second halfway.
yeah. So I think we're going to drive like 2 hours.
Yeah.
And then call it a day.
and we finish it off tomorrow.
Yeah.
Are you ready to drive?
Yeah, because I had a delicious meal Simon prepared, so I'm ready.
And you've got coffee? Oh, and we are still looking for a solution for our door.
Yeah, it's still broken.
So the problem is that this thing is locked in some way, so we can't close the door anymore.
No,
How are you going to fix that?
I'm not sure. We'll see tomorrow.
That's
Not
something.
for today.
That's something for later.
Yeah.
Now we have to close our door like this. Another day, another problem. I searched on Google, and Google and I are thinking it's the... Oh, I have no idea how to call it.
Power steering.
Power steering fluid. So let's see if that's it.
Oh yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
We're happy we found the liquid container, but we are still nowhere because we don't know if that's the problem. If you open it up, there's a thing to measure it. So that's not it?
Nope.
Oh, I really thought we would have found the solution.
Bummer.
Yeah, what can it be?
Yeah, no idea. I think maybe something with the brakes, but not sure.
We renewed the brakes before we left,
Yeah.
so it's not likely that they are gone. What's our conclusion?
That we don't know what the problem is.
We are going to continue driving and then...
Hope that it's nothing serious. And of course, we want to go to a dealer to check it out, but of course tomorrow nothing is open, so
Oh, tomorrow is Sunday.
yeah,
Oh well.
we will see.
I've got the feeling our whole van is...
Disintegrating.
Yeah. First it was the central locking system,
Yeah.
then it was the door that's still not closing,
No.
and now the, I don't know, brakes or something is broken.
Yeah.
Welcome back to Montpellier.
Yeah. We're back at the house. Well,
Near the house?
near the house.
Yeah, because we arrived at the house and I think the owner was there to clean.
Yeah. Yeah, I hope so.
And he doesn't know we are here, so we have to speak to the real estate agent tomorrow morning first, so that he knows that we are here.
Yeah.
The owner is still in the house, so we can't go in for now. We want to contact our real estate agents first, so that's what we're going to do tomorrow. So this is a good time to try and fix one of our problems, and that's the door. Okay, at least one problem is not solved,
But we found the problem.
yeah, we found the problem, and we know what the solution is.
Yeah. Buy a new one.
Yeah, so maybe we can go to a dealer tomorrow and ask if they can order a new one.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah.
it's fixed. I also got a question about our leaking front window.
Oh, I didn't see any water anymore, so
It fixed itself.
yeah. Okay, well
Let's keep it on that.
so that's solved.
Yeah, and the only problem then was the squeaking sound
Yeah, but I didn't hear that
either.
anymore. So
No, maybe it just needs a little bit WD-40.
yeah, That's the solution for everything.
Yeah,
Or duct tape.
or duct tape. Wow, it closes.
Yeah, it's a bit of a cheat because we just removed the whole system. So
Yeah, but it's closing again.
yeah, but it's closing.
So,
it works.
Unfortunately, we are not allowed to on the property.
And of course, we are those guys who then don't go on the property. So
Well, he can be here any minute, so
yeah.
we don't want to start a fight already.
No.
We are going to get some bread.
Yeah, and then I think we're going to do a hike with the dogs because, as you can hear, they have a lot of energy left. So
Let's find a nice route around here.
yeah.
Luna, what are you doing? Oh, Archipod. That's nice. Nice and muddy. Do you want me to help you?
Yes, please.
Stick it at da, 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 da. Stick it at da, 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 da. Da, da, stick it at.
This is also a nice project.
Yeah.
Here are the stairs. Woo! Yeah. There's nothing better than a really nice hot shower after a big hike.
Yeah. Really nice.
Stick it at da.
So we had an appointment with our real estate agent.
Yeah, we've discussed how to manage things with the seller.
with the owner.
Yeah. So we've discussed that, and in 2 days we have an appointment with our architect.
Yeah.
He's going to arrange the permit for the construction work we want to do. And
Well, the really strange thing is that nobody actually knows what we need.
no.
There are two types of permits.
Yeah, so like a CU is like a pre-building permit, and normally you have to have that, but now everyone is saying no, you don't need the CU, but you can just ask for the building permit.
Well, actually, the mayor is saying we don't
Yeah.
need one. So
And I guess he knows.
I hope he knows. So we're going to discuss that with our architect.
Yeah. And the
Um,
inspections are coming up
yeah.
in 2 days.
Yeah, that's the same day. So that's really exciting.
Yeah.
Don't lose your shoe again.
No, they're still drying. Oh. Watch where you walk. Up there?
Baguette.
Oh, baguette.
Oui. At the moment we are with friends who have a pool.
Yeah.
And it's a lot warmer than it was in Spain.
Yeah. This should be a lot nicer than in Spain.
Let's try.
Yeah.
First of all, the swimming pool was very nice.
Yeah. Temperature was great.
Temperature was great and the sun came out, so it was really nice. Now we know for sure that we want a swimming pool.
Yeah. Tiny bit bigger, but
yeah. After that we made an appointment for the dogs because they need anti-tick and whatever.
you said tick, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we made an appointment for that, and after that we made an appointment at the Citroen dealer here, or no, not here, in Villarreal, because the door is still broken. And they're going to order a new piece that we can put in, and it will be in I think 2 or 3 days.
Yeah, so it's quite fast.
Yeah, that's really nice and really fast. And now we are back at the lake. We've been here a couple of times and it's a really nice place to stay.
Yeah.
So I think we will stay here overnight.
Yeah.
We also have an appointment with our architect.
Yeah. Sounds fancy.
Yeah. He's not. Oh, that's not kind to say. I was planning on saying he's not doing much for us, but he is doing a lot for us. But he won't be drawing the apartments or anything because that's really expensive. So that's what we're going to do ourselves. But he's going to help us with our permits.
Yeah.
So he is doing a lot, but he's not drawing anything other than the drawings that are needed for the permits.
Yeah.
I guess that was it.
Yeah, I think I'm going to have a short walk with the dogs.
Yeah.
And then going to draw for the permit.
Yeah. Is it getting too hot?
Oh, as long as I keep walking, it's okay. But when you stop, oh, it's just...
I think we started this hike a little bit too late.
Yeah.
Because it's getting really warm.
Yeah.
We've 10 minutes left. We will survive, but
it's really hot.
It's really hot.
Yeah.
And I think the route was a little bit longer than we anticipated.
Yeah.
For. I thought 40 minutes.
Yeah.
But it will be an hour and 15 minutes.
Yeah,
I
think so, yeah.
The hike was more of a walk.
Yeah.
It was really relaxed. So we decided to do a little workout.
Yeah, and it was not that long, but
it was exhausting.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I wanted to say it was hard, but then it was like, just never mind.
Now we're going to eat something and prepare for tomorrow.
Yeah.
Tomorrow's a big day.
A lot to do.
Yeah. And this is how I look like after a workout. Where are you?
Yeah.
This is the point where we leave you for this week. Tomorrow is a big day. A lot of excitement about the house, a meeting with the architect, and we are going to the house, hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully.
If we're allowed on the property this time. So if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and we hope to see you next week.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.